Hey, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back, traders. It's your boy, the Forex Bully, Safe Trader Forex, coming to you with the all-new How to Make Money Trading Forex video series. If you don't mind, please like the video, subscribe, and click that red notification bell down below to get instant access to brand new and exclusive content updated here on my YouTube channel. Without any further ado, let's get into the introduction. Hello and welcome back, trading family. Before I discuss these currency pairs, I just want to explain that I'm not going to go into full detail about these trades. I'll be making a sequel to this video. I'll probably upload it either next Wednesday or next Friday to actually see how these trades came about. However, in this video, I will be discussing where I would potentially enter and exit these trades. As you can see, if you follow my $1,000 Forex trading vlog journey, I have exited a USD CAD. Um, this market was pretty much flat. I wasn't making any profit off of it after 4 days, so I decided to close it at 25 pips. And lo and behold, it came up and retraced on me. So I got out before this retracement, and as you can see, it's actually looking to trade to the upside. Aussie USD is the currency pair that I'm actually looking at trading right now. We have a Morningstar formation. We just bounced off a 52-week low. We came and made a new high. I set my stop loss 20 pips below this buy entry. You'll see that it hasn't been engaged yet. However, I have marked these fib extension levels where I expect the bulls to take profit. So at the very least, I would expect to make $500 on this trade. And this is the only trade that I'm looking at taking right now. I usually only take one trade at a time. All these other ones are just for fun. I marked most of these trades I marked on Monday, September 23rd. So you'll see that I marked this. This is my entry level. This is my stop loss. I have a 40 pip stop loss. Currently, this trade would be about 8 pips in profit, with it having have been 30 pips at the most. So yeah, I'm not expecting this market to make a new high because this is a bearish market. You'll see that we have a bearish TK crossover. I think this trade would probably gain you about 80 pips. CAD Swiss is a trade that I talked about on my $1,000 Forex trader vlog journey. I said I would probably take this trade to the upside. However, this candle came and pulled the bulls down, so it's currently bearish. I don't think this is going to return to a bullish market anytime soon. I'm thinking this is going to make a few new lows. I set a stop loss about 30 pips above this entry right here. You'll see fib extension 1 is about 50 pips. Fib extension 1.618 is 120 pips. Um, this New Zealand USD is bouncing off a 52-week low. I said I would set a buy back on Monday. I set a buy entry right here with a 45 pip stop loss. You'll see that we're getting a bearish TK crossover. We're rejecting Keynesian. It's also rejection the .5 fib retracement level. So if I would have taken this trade, I probably would have profited about 50 pips. I wouldn't have been trying to take this all the way up here because it's simply a retracement, and that would probably be just being too greedy with this trade. It is a bearish overall. It has bearish market sentiment. Aussie CAD. You'll see this is also another bearish market. You'll see that I set a buy entry right here at the top of this daily candle from Monday. It's coming back in. This one may go up. I'm not sure. I'm not really feeling confident in this trade. Like I said, I like my trades with the 1-to-3 risk reward ratio. So that's why I hadn't really considered a lot of these trades, because a lot of these trades were simply retracements and the risk reward was pretty much it just wasn't worth it for me. So I went ahead and marked these levels just to see where the market would go, because I usually just I like to see how my skills are and pre-marking a chart and seeing if the trade actually goes where I thought it would go. So like I said, I'll be updating this video with a part 2 next week. You'll see I marked from this low to this high. We made a new low. Um, Buy stop set on this Monday, September 23rd. 50 pip stop loss. This trade would currently be about 26 pips in profit, with it having been 50 at its greatest earlier today. Like I said, this is looking to be a bullish market. So I would look at least like I said, with a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio, getting at least 150 pips somewhere in this area. However, this does look to be bullish, so you could possibly get 215, upwards of 300 pips off this trade. New Zealand yen, Aussie USD. This is a bearish market. This would have been triggered on yesterday, which is technically still today because it's just now turning 12 a.m. Um, I would currently be about 26 pips in profit with a 45 pip stop loss. So like I said, 1 to 3 ratio, that would have to be at least 120 pips. I'm not really comfortable making that trade yet because this is a reversal. I'd rather it retrace back up into this level and then take it downward. New Zealand CAD we're basically bouncing off this 52-week low right here. I'm not exactly sure what price is doing. I haven't marked this chart, so I'm not exactly what I was thinking. I won't even comment on this one, but it looks like it's doing what it's supposed to do, I guess. Euro Aussie, you'll see we're rejecting Keatonson down here. I would have set my buy entry based off today's candle, which we still wouldn't have been entered, so this stop loss means nothing. I haven't even. This is a bonus. Pound USD was actually a bonus pair. I wasn't actually looking to even trade in this pair. However, we rejected Tinkinson right here. We had a bullish engulfing candle, so I would have set an entry at the top of this candle. I had a stop loss set down here. This is a pretty huge stop loss, but then again, it is a pound trade, so many pound trades go for 100 pips in a day, as you'll see this candle right here. It's like 175 pips back on September 13th, so that's not really a horrible stop loss. However, like I said, you'll see my fib 1 level is 205 pips. My fib 1.618 is 385 pips. I would definitely be aiming for this level with my 1 to 3 risk reward trade ratio. Um, like I said, I got out of that USD CAD trade. I'm currently only negative $78. I'm bringing my count back up to be on track with my goals. I would have to make $1,300 this week, so I'm currently down what 78. So I haven't filled this in yet, but I'd pretty much have to make 400 bucks, which that's not really hard, but I'm not gonna over leverage my trading either, because like I said, this came from 3 weeks of trading. This isn't one bad trade or 2 or 3 bad trades. This is about 6, 7, maybe 8 trades. So don't let this number throw you off. This trade was based off a 1 day trade, and like I said, my Wi-Fi was disabled like the following week for about 3 weeks. So this is 3 weeks of trading off my cell phone. Don't let that number alarm you. I pretty much always use 3% risk unless I feel real good about a trade. I have good confluence in the trade. I have multiple indicators and oscillators telling me the same thing. So like I said, this is probably about 8 trades, and you'll see I've updated my journal. That's for my USD CAD trade. I made about 26 pips on that, $79. Um, this is going to be the slot for my Aussie USD trade if I'm triggered. Looking at my Aussie USD, you'll see I'm just waiting for price to retrace into my buy zone. And I'm basically almost there. So I'll be updating this video next week around sometime, maybe October 2nd or October 4th. I'm not sure. But this video will probably definitely come out with my next $1,000 Forex trading vlog, part 3 update. I'll probably be dropping 2 videos that day just to show you my trade updates, what I've made on this account, and also these trades that I've currently discussed with you all. I hope you all enjoyed the video. I hope you all like the video, subscribe, and click that red notification bell because I'm looking at bringing all new content that no other Forex YouTuber is putting out there. So please do comment. Let me know what else I can do. Let me know what you haven't seen out there. I'll try to put a video out there about it. In the meantime, don't let the market disrupt your trading strategy. Maintain your trader psychology and stay focused. With all that being said, peace.
It's me, Super Friend.